Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of ethical hacking and penetration testing via Kali Linux. So before I just go ahead and proceed with actually infecting my own VMware computer, Windows computer, I would just like to tell you how or if someone else tries to go ahead and hack into your computer, may it be Linux or Windows, how to save it yourself. Always use the most latest antivirus and have it updated at every point of time. Be aware with the latest software updates and your security updates for either your Linux or your Windows distribution. And don't open emails and attachments that you don't know of. May it be you're running a Linux or you're using a Windows operating system, it doesn't matter. Just don't go ahead and open that. Straight away delete that and don't even check the emails that you don't know. Always check the updates of your antivirus regularly and make sure the antivirus you have installed is not any random antivirus from your torrent. Always go ahead and buy them, because anything you go ahead and download from torrent or from Pirate Bay, they may already have been infected, and if instead of going ahead and protecting your computer, you may yourself go ahead and invite a Trojan horse to go ahead and destroy your own computer. And that's not it from my end. The most important thing that I'll tell you, in case you are using any version of Linux, just go ahead and install the Rootkit Hunter, so that even if you had any other virus inside your computer, you may be able to still go ahead and save yourself. So just go ahead and type apt-get install and just type rkhunter, rk hunter, and just type yes and hit enter, and yes. Okay, I think I'll have to run apt get update first. I have not yet updated since a very long time. Okay, I think I'll have to go ahead and use my username password to first access my internet. Just let me start it. Yep, it's my internet. Let me see what's happening. Okay, need to enter the username password, I believe. Okay, let me check if I'm allowed to enter anything else. Okay, I'll just go ahead and log in it over here. Okay, perfect. Proceed. Now let's check. Ready to install RK Hunter. Now I'll just first go ahead and update everything. Okay, perfect. It's working right now. If you're using any other Linux distribution such as Ubuntu or Fedora or something like that, and you want to install RK Hunter, you can go ahead and download it from the GIT hub. I'll just go ahead and show you, or the source forge as well, as you can see. And there are different ways. I'll just go ahead and type. As you can see that there are different ways as to how you can go ahead and install the Rootkit Hunter in your system. This is downloaded from the GIT hub. If you're not using Kali Linux or the source repositories, just go ahead and add them in any of your Linux distribution and then go ahead and install that. So let me just go ahead and wait. Perfect. Yes. Okay, perfect. Perfect. So I'll just go ahead and clean. Perfect. Okay, perfect. And if you want to update the RK Hunter, then just type RK Hunter and -update. Okay, inward option update. Let me check if I could run this. Okay, just go ahead and type C and it will automatically check all the commands, and it will just go ahead and detect everything, whether you have been infected or not. It will scan each and everything from over there. Perfect. It will what it's doing in short is that detecting whether anyone else has not created a backdoor under your computer, and anyone else does not have a rootkit under your computer. That's what it does exactly. As you can see, there was nothing found over here. So in files and directories, let's check. There have been only just warnings about this such root access and nothing else, so you can just go and ignore that. The reason being that I have run this through root, and if I had run this through any other user, it would simply have ran without warning. The only thing we got this warning because I run it actually through root. Okay, so yeah, perfect. So now let's start with going ahead and gaining access into someone else's computer. So we make sure that you have Windows 7 active over here. What we will be doing is that we would be creating a simple virus. We would be sending it on our Windows 7 computer, and then we would be going ahead and modifying stuff just from over here. So that would be it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I would be actually going ahead and running these viruses and get access to the Windows 7.